This is Carter having lunch with his monkey. He's been trying to share his lunch with his monkey, but the monkey doesn't seem to want to take any bites. Giving a bite to monkey? Oh, very good. It's very nice to share your lunch with your monkey. Yeah. Carter's eating fish. Yeah, leftover tilapia and some raviolis and broccoli. Yeah. Broccoli, yum. Whoop. Dropped a piece. Did you find it? Did you find it in there? Good job. Does Monkey like broccoli? It's a big piece of fish here. Here, let's break it up a little bit. Oh, well, okay. You're still going to take a bite of the big piece? Yeah. Do you like tilapia? That's called tilapia. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Ravioli. Ravioli. Can you give a monkey a bite? You give monkey a bite? Yeah. Okay, now Carter takes a bite. Yum. Good job. Good eating.